Hello friends, if your curling iron or hair straightener is broken and you don't know how to fix it, you can do the simplest repair. First, disassemble the curling iron. Then you need to unsolder the triac. Then make a jumper between the legs. You don't even have to unsolder the triac, but make a jumper on top of it. After you make the jumper, the heating element will always work as soon as you plug the plug into the socket. Then you just need to assemble it and you can use it. Now you need to plug the plug into the network and the curling iron will immediately begin to heat up. But be careful, the heating element will always work at maximum power. You need to understand this, friends, so always use with caution.